Good morning, everybody. This is Jack from Log Cabin Firewood. Today, this video is brought to you by Heath and Rachel from Hardworking Man. I'll put a link right here for them. But they started this challenge, splitting a third of a cord, seeing how fast we could do it. So today, I'm going to use my Eastonmade 916. We're going to use the 916 with the firewood at the furnace conveyor, and we are going to split some of this sweet gum. And there's a little bit of something else in here. I don't know what these couple pieces are. It almost reminds me of a holly tree, but this is all stuff that I'll mix in with my bundle wood for next season. But I am going to be splitting this stuff small for bundles, you know, just like Tony did at TC Outdoors, another link. He split all his stuff with his single wedge county line, and he did an awesome job. I think he did it in right around 41 minutes, something like that. But we're going to see how fast we could do this with the 916 with the 4-way wedge. Stick around. Here we go. well, there you have it. We've got a third of a cord, a face cord, whatever you want to call it. It actually might be a little bit more. But man, that gum is super stringy. It's just not fun to split. Like every which way you go, it's just fibers everywhere. But we will go get some pallets set up out back and get this stacked and show you we did a third of a cord. All right, so now we are out back and we're gonna get this gum and whatever else that other stuff was stacked up right here behind me. This isn't exactly where I wanted to put it because this is my house heating wood, but it's an empty cord that I have ready. Over here behind us, I did get that other one cleaned up over here, but also in the stuff right there that's covered up. The stuff that's over there that's covered up is also gum, so I may end up restacking that here where we're gonna put this new gum. That way I have campfire wood all stacked up together. But here we go, put you on some time lapse, get this stacked up, show you that it's a third of a cord, and then I'm gonna take a nap because it's Friday and I have to work again tonight. Woohoo. Alrighty, so we have a little bit of extra wood. So we did definitely do a third of a cord. But here we go. This is the new third of a cord here. And then I still have this much left in the trailer. We'll get that stacked up, but I wanted to move the camera anyway and then actually take a look at this. But there we go, 4 foot by 8 foot, 16 inches. We'll get the rest of this stacked, then talk a little bit more. So 61 minutes to split the half a cord here. I could probably do some math and figure out what that actually is, what it took me for the third. You know, if we'll see though. But that's still not bad. You know, 61 minutes for half a cord of some nasty, nasty sweet gum. That stuff splits so stringy and disgusting. I don't wish that on anybody. But yeah, that's going to wrap things up today. Appreciate you guys checking this out. Very special thanks to Heath and Rachel at Hardworking Man. If you haven't checked them out yet, go on over and check out their channel. Two awesome people, hardworking man, hardworking woman. You're still going to get a video tomorrow. This was just kind of me wanting to show you what the 916 would do and see how fast I could actually split this gum. Don't forget to smash that like button and please subscribe and share the video with your friends. We'll see you we'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy, guys.